Alright guys, so I normally don't like doing these updated videos or get ready with me because I feel like you guys don't really like them. But there's been a lot going on that I feel like I should kind of fill you guys in a little bit. So I've actually not filmed the video for 2 weeks, which is really, really weird for me. But you guys won't notice that because I do pre-film my videos. So it literally, you guys felt nothing, but I was literally gone for 2 weeks. So one of my last vlogs, I did tell you guys that I did get a root canal on my upper tooth. But long story short, we finally got started on the other tooth. So let me just give you a little bit of backtrack while I get ready on my other tooth. So on my other tooth, when I had braces when I was in high school, I got them taken out when I was like 19 years old. And when they took off my braces, there was actually a little hole in one of them. So there was like a cavity underneath the actual, like, I guess, bracket. Um, so it basically, while I had my braces on, was just, growing. Even though I was obsessively brushing my teeth when I had my braces on, I was obsessed. Probably not healthy, like 5 times a day, no lie. But yeah, so I had that there. So when I took them off, I had already been married and I did not have any insurance. So I honestly didn't go to the dentist right away. So didn't go until it was an emergency, and I had to get an emergency root canal, which cost us a pretty penny because again we didn't have insurance, and root canals are like $2,000. So we got that done, right? Cool, fun. Years down the line, let's go, I don't even know what year it was, but like years, years. I bit down when I was eating and I got a funky taste in my mouth. And I was like, ew, that tastes and smells and feels disgusting. And I made an appointment to go to the dentist. And when I went to the dentist, he told me that that smell, taste, feeling was because I still have my I need to take out my wisdom teeth. Cool. Don't have money for that. At that point, I really didn't have money for that. So I was like, okay. He looked, took an X-ray of my root canal. He said it's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. So I thought I was crazy. I was like, no, I really feel like it's that. He literally told me no. So, anyways, fast forward. Um, I went on like that, very uncomfortable. Let me just say, I work in the beauty industry, so I was always so self conscious of it. Um, so when this tooth cracked, basically opened up the door and gave me the push I needed to go ahead and be like, I'm not crazy, right? So when we went, he literally told me, you're not crazy. It's actually really badly infected. When I went in, they were like, you're not in pain. I'm like, no. They're like, I know you're here for this one, but you sure you're not in pain? I'm like, what kind of question is that? Like, I'm not in pain, guys. I'm okay. I do feel discomfort and gross and self-conscious. I'm like, but I'm not in pain. So basically it was a failed root canal. It had failed. So I had a couple of options, but again, they wanted to just focus on this tooth first because it was cracked. So again, long story short, they took out the tooth last week. So they took out the whole entire thing, the root canal and everything. We went towards the route of just giving me a fake tooth. I didn't want to go through a root canal again because he said it can happen again. Just didn't want to, it's just not worth it anymore. Like, I'm already going to spend now another $2,000 on this one tooth. But this process does take 6 to 9 months. That's so much fun. But I really wanted to just get it out and feel comfortable again. So that's what happened. They took it out. They gave me stitches. Took them 30 minutes to take the tooth out because the infection was so bad. Love that for me. And he actually took out a little ball of like tissue that was like at the bottom of it. You guys, I cried because I thought it was crazy. Like, literally, my old dentist told me, and I have gone to the dentist since I was a kid. So he took out all my teeth, but didn't tell me that it was my wisdom teeth, and I'm crazy. That was a lot for me. And mostly someone who doesn't really like going to dentist or doctor's offices. So that happened, and that's why I'm kind of talking a little bit weird. I do feel a little self-conscious still, and I mean, this happened last week, so when you get to see this, it'll probably be like over a month already. But yeah, so I got that. This is just the first procedure, which is actually the cheapest. So they took out the tooth and they stitched me up, and then I go back in a week so he could check to make sure everything is healing properly. And then after that, I don't go back for a while. And then they do the next expensive step, and then I believe I go back again in like 3 months after that, and then they start working on giving me an actual tooth. He literally said I could leave it like this. Some people actually just leave it with no tooth. I told him I'm 32 years old. I want my teeth and I want to enjoy food. So yeah, you guys, lesson of this, and it's funny because he obviously they checked all your teeth, and he's like, you have no cavities other than your two issues, and I'm like, yeah. So when you get your braces off, make sure you don't got no cavities underneath them braces, y'all, because that cost me an additional $5,000. I love that for me. Also, it's my fault for waiting so long, but I hate dentists and I hate doctor's office, and that dentist literally made me feel like I was crazy. So yeah, again, I started the getting that done, and then next year, like 2024, no, 2025, I am going to get my wisdom teeth taken out. Yeah, that would be my next fun thing. Um, he's like, it's not an emergency right now, but obviously my discomfort from my other tooth was because it was actually like this far from my nerve that controls my tongue and my bottom lip. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start my makeup a little bit, and then I'll be right back to tell you guys even more updates. Okay, so just in case you are wondering, I'm about to put my SPF. So right, we are now. I just want to say this dentist is absolutely amazing. Um, like amazing, guys. Like yeah, it's like he's good. Like yeah, like when they automatically make you feel comfortable and not feel crazy, and listen to you, and then give you different treatment options. Like he was not even like when he was explaining things to me, he was literally like, you have choices, you don't have to spend 2K, you can just take it off, let it be. You could literally just let it chill until it's an emergency, and we just like do what we gotta do when it happens. He gave me a lot of options. He when he did this one, I did not feel absolutely anything. This one I did a little bit, but that was a lot rougher of actual like miniature surgery. Um, but you guys, he's amazing. So if you live around me, message me, and I will let you guys know who the dentist is because he is bomb. Anyways, so let's move on. That's what's been going on. That's where all my money going. Um, I actually been trying this, and it's okay. I don't love it, but it's okay. Um, I feel, I feel. Okay. So moving on. Only other thing that's really exciting right now is I am. So we were not gonna have a birthday party for my daughter. That was not gonna happen. We were supposed to actually go to Florida for her birthday, but she has not gotten her other set of molars yet. So since it was such a bad experience the last time I went to Florida and she got her, she was teething. I don't want to do that again. So we're just gonna wait until her third birthday to go to Disney, which I am already so excited for. So that is the plan. My mom will be going with us. So I was kind of ready to get the tickets for around kind of like just to get an idea. So I'm excited. So yeah, I just wanted to make sure you guys can actually hear me. Oh yeah, after surgery you can't spit. Obviously can't smoke. I don't smoke anyways, but And you can't drink out of a straw. So this girl has been drinking like this. I mean, I love this cup, Amazon storefront, but I miss my straws. Yeah, so again, we weren't planning on having a birthday party for my daughter. Honestly, my mom pushed it so much. Like she hella pushed it. So I agreed and just said, okay, small birthday party. So it's so small, guys. Because my daughter's first birthday party, if you guys watched those videos, um, it was pretty big. We had about 130 people, but everybody came at different times, so it worked out perfectly. It wasn't like too much. Um, and we had taquero and all that stuff. But no, we're not having that for her. Again, we need to save right now for Disney, and my teeth is not cheap. So we are literally gonna have like a little birthday party. He's inviting, I believe. So in general, we're seven, including my mom, his parents, and my daughter. So that's eight. I'm lying. Eight. Um, and we're literally inviting like kind of so we're inviting his we're basically inviting like seven family members each. So like he's inviting his aunts and their kids and stuff, and I'm inviting my cousins and my godmother. Um, and then since there is no babies in my family, if you guys didn't know, my daughter actually has no cousins, and there's only like two. Yeah, so my husband has one like cousin has a baby, and he's like maybe three, but that's in Ecuador because he's Ecuadorian. And then my daughter has a cousin that's, I believe she just turned three, and that's in Puerto Rico. So she doesn't have anybody her age in her family that's her blood. So my best friend in the world, she actually has a son that is my daughter's age, 2 months actually older, and then her sister has also a daughter who is 3 months older than my daughter. Them three are basically the same age. So I will be inviting them. So, if it was up to me, I know it sounds ridiculous to my mom, but if it was up to me, I would just invite people who have kids, um, and have a kids party because it's for my daughter. It's not for us. So that's just personal. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. So I am gonna show you guys some things I've bought for the party. So the big thing is my mom's doing it. My mom's doing majority of it, but I told her I'll take care of decorations because my mom can't decorate for her life. And also I am also picking up my daughter's like outfits. I am definitely a lot more chill when it comes to stuff like that. So it's not gonna be too crazy. And then also I will be doing the kids goodie bags. So there's only two. One is going to be 5 months by the time my daughter's birthday is. So for that, honestly, he don't care. He ain't gonna even notice that we're not giving him anything. But the other two, I'm definitely gonna give something, and I am actually doing, since we're not giving my daughter anything crazy, since we buy her stuff all the time. Um, I am literally making her a little goodie bag too. We really wanted to invite more friends, guys, for the kids, but budget wise, right now is not the best for us again, because I am getting all these things done with my teeth, and it's a it's a penny. So I basically got two teeth fixed in like 6 weeks. So yeah. Um, so yeah, that'll be future videos. You guys will definitely be seeing those. So another thing that I have really been focusing on is decluttering. So I've been decluttering the life out of my closet. I did not film it because it was not really like, honestly, it wasn't for like content. It's for real. Like, so obviously I've gained weight since I had my daughter, and there's some things that I'm just not gonna wear. I'm not gonna feel comfortable wearing it, and I need to get rid of a lot of stuff. So I did make a Poshmark. So if you guys want to shop it, I did put a bunch of toddler clothes. It's actually brand new. I haven't gone through used stuff yet, but there's a lot of brand new stuff on there for girls. I did put a lot of my shoes on there. My foot actually grew half a size up since having my daughter, so a lot of brand new shoes on there as well. And then I also will put a lot of dresses. I haven't gone through my summer stuff, that's coming soon. Jackets, some clothes, blue area. My sister-in-law was like, just wait until you stop. Excuse me, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna wait. I'm like, I'm just over it. Like, I need to get rid of stuff. Um, so yeah, my Poshmark. My other little teeny tiny update is, um, if you guys haven't noticed, I do post a lot of Tuni Pickle Bottom, and I am very blessed and happy to say that they actually reached out to me to become an ambassador with them. So I will make a nice commission if you guys purchase anything using my links. Um, yeah, so I would really, really be grateful if you guys, shop my Poshmark, my Amazon storefront, um, or like purchase the bag from Petunia Pickleball. I don't have a lot of videos on it. I truly love the brand, so when they literally messaged me, my heart started racing, and I got so excited. Anyways, so yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know. I don't know. I feel like it's a little cringe when you kind of are like promoting stuff like that, because it's like people are like, you just want us to waste your money. But honestly, like, I'm a small channel. I don't make money off of YouTube. I am a stay-at-home mom. And I do lashes from the side. I do makeup on the side, but that is not always constant. Again, I have a like I don't have a flexible schedule because of my toddler. Um, but I try to do whatever I can do to help with the income. And my husband is not asking me to do anything. He actually was like, "You don't need to sell your stuff." I just feel like I need to get rid of a lot of stuff. But yeah, so just throwing that out there. Support your girl a little bit. You know, it's a little struggle. Everything is really expensive right now. So yeah, so that was the other update. Yeah, I got 2 teeth extracted. That's fine. Love that for me. And then, well, 2 teeth. No, I got one root canal and then one tooth extracted. My daughter's birthday's coming up, and then I am starting to become, I guess, more of a business savvy person, because I am trying to get more of an income off of not having a full-time job. But yeah, that is it. I'll probably come back on really quick just to show you guys the finished look, but that is really all the updates I have right now. So we'll just fast forward, and I'll see you guys at the end. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know a lot of these videos normally don't get a lot of views, but I felt like I needed to kind of fill you guys in a little bit more on what's going on. But I really hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.